Chapter 5, sum number 17. Ambika, Tarani and Padma are partners in the firm sharing profit in the ratio 5:3:2. They admit that Ramya is 25% of profit. So calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. எப்படி calculate பண்றதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Sum number 17. Calculate the sacrificing and new profit sharing ratio. Old ratio of Ambika, Tarani and Padma 5:3:2. 5 divided by 10 is to 3 divided by 10 is to 2 divided by 10. Ramya shares of profit 25%. 25% na 25 divided by 100. இதை calculate பண்ணா 1 divided by 4. 25 how many times is 4 times. அதனால் 1 divided by 4. 1/4 அர்த்தம். So let the total shares be 1. Remaining shares. Remaining share கண்டுபிடிக்க 1 minus 1 divided by 4. 4 போட்டுட்டு 4 ones are 4 minus 1 is the 3 divided by 4. The new share of old partners. Remaining shares into old shares. Ambika 3 divided by 4 into the remaining shares into 5 divided by 10 is the old share. 3 5s are 15, 4 10s are 40. Tarani 3 divided by 4 into 3 divided by 10. 3 3s are 9, 4 10s are 40. Padma 3 divided by 4 into 2 divided by 10. 3 2s are 6, 4 10s are 40. The share of new partners Ramya 1/4. 1/4 40 calculate பண்ண 4 into 10 40, 1 into 10 10. So new profit sharing ratio of Ambika, Tarani, Padma and Ramya 15:40:40. 9:40 divided by 40 is to 10 divided by 40. So that is 15:9:6:10. This one is the new profit sharing ratio. So sacrificing ratio is 5:3:2. இந்த சம் இதோட முடியுது. இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.